Flamingo from Flamingo Beach Realty, your luxury premier brokerage here in the beautiful Guanacaste. Location is everything, and here it's a location spot. We're at Casa Margarita. We're about a 3 or 4 minute walk to the beautiful and gorgeous Playa Flamingo. Here you've got a pool and this amazing Spanish style house. I can't wait to show it to you today. As you walk through these beautiful arch doors, you arrive at the main part of the property. There is 3 sections to this property. You have the main house, there's 3 bedrooms underneath the pool, and it also has an apartment over the garage. Here at the main house, you'll see it's very expansive. It's set up to entertain a lot of friends and family. Kitchen is set up of a combination of modern and a Spanish style. You've got stainless steel appliances, a huge gas stove, beautiful granite countertops that light up, and you also have this gorgeous wood features. Casa Margarita, the master bedroom is in the main house. You have teak ceilings all throughout, custom-made teak furniture, Spanish-style floors, and these beautiful windows that open up to the ocean. This is one of the biggest masters I've ever seen. You can easily divide into 2 bedrooms, and the view, outstanding. Casa Margarita has this beautiful vaulted ceiling with teak wrap around that goes all the way around the house. Here you can look at the ocean, and the other side you can play ping pong with your friends. Surrounded by majestic mountains and the Pacific Blue Ocean, here you can actually hear the waves and see the waves crashing. This house is 5,100 square feet. The main house has the master, you've got the apartment by where the driveway is, and we're just about to check out the other 3 bedrooms. Come check them out with me. Each guest bedroom has a queen bed, a refrigerator, and has its own ensuite bathroom. Just above a 2.5 car garage is an apartment. Let's go take a look. Following the same style of the main house, you come to this apartment. It has the wood arches, the beautiful views. It has a full kitchen and a separate bedroom and bathroom. What's really great about Casa Margarita is the proximity and location. Here, you can walk to Coco Loco, a beachfront restaurant. You can walk to the beautiful white sands of Playa Flamingo. You can walk to town, walk to the grocery store, and even walk to the brand new Flamingo Marina. Check out this brand new, amazing marina in Flamingo. It's just right across the bay from Casa Margarita. Here you're gonna find some amazing restaurants. You've got Surf Box, you've got Hazel's, you've got great shopping, and you also have a gym. This is amazing how close it is to the house. Casa Margarita is less than a 5-minute walk from this beautiful white sandy beach called Playa Flamingo. Here it's wonderful for swimming, stand-up paddleboarding, fishing. It's an amazing spot to soak up the sun and enjoy this Pura Vida. If you have any questions about this property or any other properties in Costa Rica, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to speak with you. Have a beautiful day. Pura Vida.